going to pass a very important piece of legislation led by Governor Patrick and Commissioner Bartlett, who is here with us today, that deals with a big part of the problem, but the totality of it is national, and we have to play a big role here in Massachusetts in giving leadership. So what I'd like to do is to first introduce to you Michael Botticelli. He is the drug czar for the United States, works in the White House on these issues. He's from Massachusetts, and like me, lived in Malden. And he's somebody who really is giving the lessons of Massachusetts now to the entire nation. Michael.
Thank you. Thank you, Senator Markey. It's really a pleasure for me to be back in Massachusetts, but also I have the distinct pleasure of working for the White House. Let me say, there's no more pressing issue for the Office of National Drug Control Policy than the opioid issue. The issues that we're seeing here in Boston and Massachusetts are being replicated, unfortunately, across the country. And this has been one of the #1 priorities for our office. What I think today really represented, and I really want to thank Senator Markey for convening this meeting, was how we're going to get at the solution to this problem. That is, how do we work together as federal government, state government, and local entities? How do we work together to implement the strategies that we know to be effective? We know there's no silver bullet here. We know it requires a comprehensive response. And I think Massachusetts, in terms of the work that has already happened, and by passing the bill today, will continue, I think, to promote the good work that's happening here nationally. And that's really a function of our office. We also heard what more we can do on the federal level in terms of supporting some of the work. So it's really important for us to continue to engage with our state and local partners to make sure we're giving them the resources they need to do their job and to identifying areas of future progress. So it was really a privilege for our office to be involved in this work. We'll continue to work with Senator Markey and other representatives in Congress in terms of how we can continue to amplify our federal response and look at continuing to support state and local solutions.